company, actually, we can use AI using what is the right places for agriculture. You need also to understand what the country offering, how the country can support you, how the country can protect you, based on the relation with the local partner. All has to go together, you know.
Okay, Mr. Hosni, so welcome to China. I'm Stephen Zhang from the Secretariat of China-Africa CEO Dialogue. So welcome to China, welcome to Changsha.
Very happy to be in this interview. Also happy to be in China-Africa CEO Dialogue. So my name is Hosni Emam. I am the CEO of DeepTech Engineering. I was born in Egypt, and actually I am kind of Hong Kong Chinese because I moved to Hong Kong in 1999 for me. So when I first moved in 1999, physically, but I felt like it's my second home because there's a lot of similarity. You know how you. So I'm an international lawyer. I work with a lot of companies. What was very interesting for me, I was here in Hong Kong and I saw how China started moving to international market. Right. So I work with a lot of international brands, like I help UnionPay to go into international market, to do the cross-border payment. I help WeChat Pay also to enter different markets. So sometimes also I help China construction, China railway. So that actually helped me a lot how to understand Chinese company. But in the meantime, one of the very important part that you have to learn, and I think Chinese actually good at it, is how you actually understand the international market. Because something that a lot of people keep learning, when you try to move a brand or you try to move a company, business to another market, you have to think about the market. Business. Like right now, I'm helping a company called Dingdong. It's a big supermarket, so like a kind of online supermarket company, I think Chinese company, and they become very big in the COVID time when there was a lockdown and they had to deliver food to everybody's house to become really big. Now I think they are listed, one of the public listed company, and now they are in Saudi. Like deliver grocery and fresh food, fresh vegetable, meat. But somehow they decided actually to move to Middle East. Mm-hmm. So in the beginning when they moved, actually it was not very easy for them. Mm-hmm. But now I'm trying to help them, to understand the culture because coming from China, trying to open also online supermarket in Middle East or in Saudi is not easy. So you have to understand other culture. For example, for them, they have to understand the eating habit, what kind of food they like. Halal. Yeah, halal, right. How it's important for people, fish product and all of this. So right now, actually, I'm helping them to open their business in Egypt. So with a very big company under government of Egypt called Great Egypt, they are opening kind of like a hyper supermarket. Big chain. So now Dingdong trying to study Egypt market, how to join and how to open in the market. So for Egyptian side, they want actually to deliver food product with good price because it's under the government. So they should have like a good price with good quality. It's not easy, of course, to try to deliver good quality at good price. It's not easy. So, but the government gives them a good range, good location. So Dingdong have a very good actually way of delivering. So they use AI to deliver the product in a short time. How the zone different area to deliver. The reason actually when I start working international market, I got very attracted to work with artificial intelligence, machine learning. Okay. So I was in very one of the earliest company to bring AI to Middle East. Okay. Okay. Everybody now rushing to Africa, Okay. But for investor to come, they need more feasibility. They need to know where to invest. Company actually we can use AI using remote sensing and by satellite we can explore their actually country, what is the right places for agriculture, what is the right places for mining, so we can help them to map their country in terms of their natural resources and to improve their business. One of the projects right now we're working with Aramco is to partner with Ministry of Mineral under Ministry of Energy in Saudi. So what we are trying to do right now is to create a platform. Through this platform, we can actually create visibility. So any future investor want to invest in Saudi, they will know the map of the mineral of Saudi. So by using satellite imaging, you can create a report. You can predict what's going to happen. For agriculture, also we do it. For example, in greenhouses, we put spectacle camera, and with this camera we take image and we can predict the anomaly before it happens. So our technology really help a lot of countries because in the past, after your problem happened, there is some problem with water, there is some problem with kind of bacteria. So, but once you realize it, it's too late. But with AI, we can create different image and we can detect what's going to happen and we can predict it before it happens. So we, in average cases, we can improve the yield from 20 to 25%. When you go to developed country, one of the biggest problems is farmer. They work very hard, but sometimes they don't know what is the condition of their land. They are not doing very good job to take care of the land. And then in the end, you have a very low yield. We tell them how they can grow the right crops for the right land. We also help them to give them regular reports. So that way, actually, they can improve the yield. Like we did it in Kenya, and the yield will become 200%, double. So 200% the normal yield.
With potential.
Exactly. So the maize become really big, and everybody is happy. In general, actually, I think Chinese they doing quite good in Africa because there's a lot of amazing projects in Africa already, and you know that One Belt One Road, Idailu, it helped a lot actually to bring many countries together. If you ask my advice, I think the most important part is they have to think a little bit more about what private sector needs. Because Chinese company more driven with government, strategy and government planning. So when it comes to the private sector, they are more interested on the bottom line, profit. But it's good, of course. This is what's about the business. But I think maybe they need to think about more about the brand, about the name, about strategic partnership to allow them to last longer.
I hope we can maybe grab more food for us.
Okay, with pleasure. Thank you for having me.